Hello guys, get ready because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix speaker not working problem in Infinix Hot 60. So watch this video carefully and follow every step as I'm showing in video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on sounds and vibration, and then click on do not disturb. If you turn on your do not disturb, then turn it off. After turn off your do not disturb, then go back and scroll down and click on system, and then click on reset phone. Now here you can see the option reset all data. Now click on it and then click on erase all data. After erase all the data, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.